go. Woohoo! My adventures are always on a time crunch when I'm working because I only get a couple hours to get onto the boat, off of the boat, to the trail, off of the trail. That gives me the motivation to boogie and get that cardio in. So it's not all bad, but I'm having a great time. I'm making good time. Still got a ways to go. Not gonna get that milkshake good time, but just a good time. This is what I love to do. This is living my best life. Forest fire must have come in here not too terribly long ago and burned down all the big thick trees. So now we got all these skinny little ones, and that's all that's left. No ankle support, no leg support. It's all just lubed. Almost there. Just from the little splash that's coming up off the water. So this is going to be more intense than the polar plunge. I am basically speechless from how in awe I am of the waterfall I just saw and got to play in. The falls were epic. It was a legend. You know, I saw a group of 12. I saw a bunch of duos with their dogs, a couple, you know, friends, whatever. I don't know. 10 seconds before I got there, there was a person leaving, and then I was there for like 30 minutes, and nobody came. Nobody was there, so I had the whole entire waterfall to myself to play in. I just came back this tree, and it has a vortex type of a presence. The air just grew quiet. It's like energy just drained and sucked in. All these big trees are burnt up, but still alive on the top from some gnarly forest fires that were here not too long ago. They said they might not even be able to take people up to this trail because the fires were so recent that the trails may have even been closed. I'm so glad that I was able to make it. My boat is right there, the dock next to the boat. Got to enjoy it. Get a little sunshine. Right there is